Welcome to MMTAXMAN.com. My name is Veronica Russell, tax expert at M&M, and I have Patrick Russell, EA, as well from MMTAXMAN.com. We're going to go over details on how to file your taxes as well as how to upload your tax documents. Right,
So
Patrick?
th- that's right. The new tax season is upon us. And right now is the time for you to start thinking about what tax documents you need to gather and how you're going to get those forms to us so that we can help prepare your taxes. This year, we are featuring our new secure file web portal. This is a secure web portal that's attached directly to our tax software. It's called Secure File Pro. What it is that we'll be sending you a link to your email that'll look just like this. It's very easy to start up an account. Once you enter into the email, you simply just need to click onto the blue link. You'll be taken to a screen that looks just like this. All you need to know is the last four digits of your social. It's going to ask you for a new password, which you can create on your own. And once you have that password, you're going to be able to enter into your secure file web portal. As you can see, the web portal is very straightforward. The dashboard is very simple. You would simply just use the blue upload in order for you to pick and choose a file so that you can have it uploaded to us. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. The easiest way is through the phone. Secure File Pro has a phone app that works both with Android and iOS phones that will allow you to use your camera as the scanner. A great way for you to take pictures of your tax documents as well as social security cards and IDs and safely upload them to us so that we can get them without any problems. The other way that you can go about doing it is email. Nothing's changed with the email accounts. All of the addresses are still the same. That's mmtaxman@gmail.com, as well as Patrick at mmtaxman.com and Veronica at mmtaxman.com. How other ways can our clients get documents to us,
They can
Veronica?
send us a text message to a text line 562-756-9924. Keep in mind that if you're going to be using the text line, make sure that the pictures are clear for us to go ahead and upload to our system.
We really can't wait to see you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great year.